Hello, my name is Simone. I'm from Happy Hubble. We have 3 children with autism. I want to show you our sensory startup kit. This kit is the main reason why I started Happy Hubble. Now, right at the beginning of your child's diagnosis, or even before your diagnosis, when you know there's something that's not quite right, there seems to be a gap in easy to find practical solutions for you. There seems to be no physical help. So once we've all paid the pediatrician, the psychologist, the speech pathologist, what do we do now? We get pamphlets, we get a therapist contact list, and we get a lot of forms. A lot of forms. I never had the time to fill in the forms. I was too busy with the day-to-day issues that we faced. So I never managed to fill in the forms for quite a while, and which meant that we missed out on respite care, we missed out on camps, we missed out on knowing about the support group, finding friends living the same life as us. It was really, really hard. So our therapist would recommend resources for me to make for her, and I didn't have time to make them. I said, I don't have the time, but we just had to get through it. She also would recommend strategies that we can implement in the home, but I was too busy. So I'm making these for you. Now that I am at the other end of it, I guess I've figured out what we need and I've made them. So I've made the beautiful visual reward cards, I've made the routine card, we've made our happy and unhappy card. So I've made these all for you, and I've also specially selected some fantastic sensory toys and tools for you. So these work really, really well, recommended by our therapists, and they work really well for our children. A lot of work went into this booklet, and it gives you a nice explanation of how these tools and toys help your child. They really are amazing. There's a lovely explanation for each one, and also I have in here what to do. You get your diagnosis, we all ask, what do we do? So we've got here recommendations that may help me and my child. So just some basic recommendations that should help most families. And then we've got the practical things I need to do. So it's a combination of these things. I know it's really, really hard, one step at a time, and we can do it. Now, I also have a lovely little note here that I wanted to show you. Basically, don't push yourself to get through everything in one day. Try to achieve one important thing a day. Soon you'll look back and see the mountains you've conquered. So I've been there, and I know that you'll be fine. I've got your back. Thank you very much. I would love you to check out our other products on our website at www.happyhubble.com.au, and please click on the link. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day.